Introduce yourself.
I am Daisy Fernandez Makiling. I am 34 years old, married. I have 2 children.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my financial needs of my 2 children, especially in their studies.
Does your parents know that you're applying for?
Yes.
Do you have any experience as domestic helper before?
No?
Do you have any experience as domestic helper before?
Yes. In the Philippines, yes.
Okay. For how long?
2 years.
Can you tell us about your duties and responsibility as domestic helper before as a helper here in the Philippines?
As one of helper in the Philippines, I will do my best to do my duty.
Do you have any nursery rhyme?
Yes.
Can you sing for us?
Yes. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 black 4. 1 for my mother, 1 for my kids, 1 for a little girl who lead lambs that street. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 black 4.
Okay. Give a short message to your future employer.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. Please choose me as one of your helper in your house. I promise to you that I will do my best to do my duty with all my heart. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.